Hello and welcome. Today July 2026. This bad boy just got on sale. I got this on at Home Depot for $130 plus tax. It's $140 total right now. The model you can see right here, the model number. And let's unbox and set it up and see what we got here. Okay, the saw itself right here is about 5-6 pounds, not too heavy. And it came with the blade for cutting wood only. Regular manual. Okay, let's say we're gonna put the blade on and check out some functions. It's for the vacuum dust. And right after the box we have the Allen key right here. You don't need to find your Allen key. And we now gonna put the this blade on here. Okay, to make it easier, we're gonna move this guard load a little bit. So lock it for now. And right here, as you can see, we had a button to press and lock the wheel so we can remove this. So first of all, press it. If it's hard in the beginning, give it a little turn and it will go to the tip. That's it. Press it, and then we now able to loosen this nut right here. This turn clockwise to remove. So remove the nut right here. So now you can just release this. It's a little hard right now. Okay, we gonna untwist clockwise, remove the nut, and just remove one of this. They had two, so be careful, don't remove this one. Just one. And then we gonna use a blade and check for direction right here. We have direction right here and another direction. If I don't know if you can see that direction right here. Make sure they match each other. And let me go around and put this in to make easier. So open this. Put this in for the safety purpose. I'm not gonna remove the plastic cover of the sharp blade right here for now. I put it in. See the front side. Just make it easy. Front side go here. So the back side just go to the back. And if you have to check again the right directions of the arrows right here matching, and we're good to go. And put it in. Click. And the rest is put everything back together. This one has magnet, so right when you put it in, you feel the magnet stick to this blade, and opposite twist to the anti-clockwise right here to tighten it. Okay, it's not too hard, and when you feel the blades running turning, we have to tighten it really strong more by once again press this thing. If it's hard, just give it a little turn. This will snap on. There you go, you have click. And now let's say we use the Allen key to tie it anti-clockwise to tie it really strong, as strong as you can for your safety. Make sure. There you go. Okay, release everything and check it again. Okay, now you can put the Allen key back to the storage so you won't lose it. Right here, the snap on Allen key right here, and put the guard back. Okay, let's see. The guard back right now. Okay, actually I just show you how to adjust the depth right here and the angle, the bevel right here. It's new, so it's a little sticky right now. See that? The bevel right here. When you're done, just make sure you lock it, and the guard is gonna go just right here. When you cut a big piece of plywood, only the guard is right here. Just tie this. And for the purpose of this video, I'm not gonna put this in to show you. Okay, right now we're done with the setting up and the hose for vacuum. Later I will try to see my portable vacuum works with this right here, but for now just remove this and let me go and wrap my battery right back. Okay, I have here after MAX get batteries. So let's put this in to see. This battery has a LED displays. See, and also has the LED lights. So everything good to go. Double check one more time, and let's see for the safety. I told you I didn't remove this. When you do, remember to remove this thing. This plastic bar for the blade. Okay, bonus. I have this portable vacuum and the head right there. Let's see it fit with the with this hose right here. It's not really 100%, but if you twist it and push it a little bit, it may work just fine. You see that? And that connect to the saw. See, we have the vacuum on to see if we get any dust, or we have a clean workshop. Okay, I'm gonna turn the vacuum on, and as you can see, it's already fallen out, but we can push it again. Okay, let me try this. Still have some dust, like splitting outside, but it's better than this one if you have to do cut inside. Okay, let me introduce my vacuum right here. It's portable battery, and I just used with my saw right there, and we have here sawdust. Okay, if you want to check this vacuum out, I also put in the description the link. Thank you for watching. Once again, it's on sale right now. I'm not sure. I put a link to check it and support my channel by using the link. Thank you. Bye.